Is it started live? Hello. All right, all right. Hey guys, am I audible? I just need yes or no. That would be really helpful for me. Am I audible now? People here can reply. And very good evening to everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day actually. Because we are going to make your day a better one because we are having Wipro hiring for 23 and 24 batch. So the same thing we are going to explain you in this live. I'm going to explain you how to apply and what are the things you need to apply and which batch can be applied for and other details as well, important details, salary details, and is there any service agreement? If so, how that's going to work, and also the bonus part. Luckily, we have bonus from Wipro. So we'll wait for just 1 minute and then we'll start the live session. So I just want you guys to let me know how was your day. That will be really helpful because I want to create a like interactive live. I don't want to go like a lecture sort of live. So please let me know how was your day and also let me know what batch you are from. So it will be easy for us for the future lives also for suggesting you guys a better opportunities from batch wise. So please let us know how your day and what batch you are from. Pretty good. Harish have mentioned it's pretty good. Good to know. Great. So we'll start in a live in a minute. Meanwhile, I'm very eager to connect with all of you, and I'm very eager to know how your day was because after this live, your day will be much more better. That's what I can say. Pretty good. All right, and put your drop your batch also so that it'll be easy for us to let you guys know what batch of jobs we can suggest for and hirings. And luckily you guys know, by the way, there is a very good news that in next 6 months the hiring chances are going to be like more than like 10 to 12 percentage. We as preference staff have posted. By the way, my name is Sudhakran and I'm one of the person in the team. So I'm going to run through you with the 2024 and 2023 batch this Instagram, sorry, YouTube live. Let's see. I guess we have enough people right now. Oh, one person have replied. My friend Sai Uday Kiran have replied. It was a great day when I hear the Wipro hiring. Yes, it is for us as well. So make sure that you are not skipping the live because I'm going to say some important criterias. I'm going to say some important things which you need to follow. If you are not following that, then you might not get hired. You might not get the call back. So make sure that you are properly listening till the end of the live. Okay, so I'll make it more interactive as much as possible. Probably I would crack some jokes, so don't mind it if it is lame, by the way. So yeah, let's start. It's 4:39. We'll start by 4:40. That would be a better option. So yeah, mostly we'll start. So Wipro have announced Elite position for telecom, automotive, and embedded and CPP. Security on Java full stack. It is for freshers basically, and the category is category one. Job functions mainly you guys are focusing like you will be focused on engineering and web and software. And the CTC for this particular role is 3.5 LPA. So if it is 3.5 LPA, we have better options of bonus. We have. I'll be explaining you that how bonus works. Okay, that's the thing. And mostly, let's directly jump into the eligibility criteria. Okay, the first one is education 10th, 12th. You need to have 60 percentage of or above. Mostly, we have. I know you guys are actually genius, so you guys would be having it. So don't worry about it. 60 percentage, and then graduation is 60 percentage or CGPA equivalent to 6.0. So as per the university guidelines, so make sure that you are having that. Yeah, you guys have obviously, bro. You guys have And then if you are from open schools or distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th only. So make sure that you're noting down. And this is for 23 and 24 passing out students, and the qualifications are BE, BTech, and the branch of study is mechanical, instrumental, automotive engineer, CSE, EC, IT, and cybersecurity. It's good that Wipro have giving importance to the cybersecurity field as well. So it is like a collective, like both non-tech and technical people can apply. So it is easy for a lot of people to apply as well, because a lot of students will be hired as well. So this particular hiring can be done by any of these fields like mechanical, instrumentation, automotive engineering, and CSE, ECE, and IT and cybersecurity. By the way, guys, if you have any doubts, do drop your questions then and there, because our team is specifically sitting in the live to moderate and to reply for you guys. So if you have any doubts, just drop then and there. All right. So let's jump into the other criteria. So in the other criteria, only one backlog is allowed at the time of online assessment. So make sure that you are not having so much of backlogs. I don't like. I guess I have full confidence on you guys. You guys are so clever. So I hope you guys don't have a backlog. And candidates are expected to clear the backlogs along with eighth semester. Okay, so make sure that you clear all the backlogs before your eighth semester, and maximum 3 years, 3 years of gap in education is allowed, like from between 10th of I mean the commencement of the graduation, not more than that, maximum 3 years of gap. And no gaps are allowed in the graduation period. Let's say once you enrolled in the college, all right, once you enrolled in the college, and after that if you're taking a gap, then it is not allowed. Okay, so before enrolling the college, the gap is allowed maximum to 3 years. All right. So that is the thing. So you should have been completed the graduate once you enrolled within 4 years. I hope you guys don't have any doubts. So few of people are saying like, sir, this application is not allowed for our college. Make sure that you reach out to our team. Our team is there to help you. Okay, we are here to help you at any cost. We definitely have solution for everything. So make sure that you are dropping it. Preference our team, please do reply to Yashwardhan Balaga. So make sure that you are replying to him. And if they are like, you can actually call us. Okay, I'll tell you how to call and everything. So coming back to this, so should be a full-time degree course recognized by central and state government. You should be having a proper degree course in India. And apart from that, candidates will be invited for the test process who have completed 3 months school off period for the PDS assessment. What is this tricky thing? So it's actually very simple. I'll tell you how. So let's say if you have attended an interview on October, okay, so you cannot. I mean, you'll be not called 3 months from the October, because they require 3 months of cool off period. So make sure that they will, I mean, it's not like you are ignored, you will be invited after the 3 months of cool off period for the test process. All right. And then should be an Indian citizens and PO, PIO, and OCI card and event of holding. If you are from Nepal or Bhutan, so you need to submit your citizenship certificate, and candidate should be 18 plus while registrations. So that's the basic thing. All right. So now the designation is project engineer. So when it comes to project engineer, as far as my expertise, a project engineer should have a good analytical skill, good technical programming skills as well. So because you are going to handle the project directly, right? So you need to have a good sort of skills as well. And linked, just a minute. Yeah. So yeah, this is off campus. Yeah, and then the link is link to apply. Yeah, we'll be giving the link to apply in our description once the live is end and the video will be posted. We will be giving the link. All right, this is an off campus talk. Now let's go for the compensation part. Everyone likes this part, right? Who don't like money? All right. So you'll be having like 3.5 lakhs per annum. That is your compensation, and the flat bonus post 6 months from joining is 25K, to be merged with compensation after 12 months of bonus payout. So you'll be having a bonus of 25,000 once you complete your 6 months of work. Then you'll be adding, I mean, merged with the compensation of 12 months of bonus payout, and regular yearly pay increments. So you'll be having like hikes on regular basis. Once the business is ending, you'll be having a increment unless and until you have a good skill and you are sticking up with the company and you know what you have to do for on getting the good skills. That is what we are working for, right? All right. So similarly, merge bonuses on 18th, 24th, and 36th month from the date of joining. So, you'll be getting bonus on 18th and 24th and 36th months. You can merge the bonuses as well. So now, this is one of the important thing which you have to actually focus on is service agreement. So applicable for 12 months post joining, INR 75,000 on pro rata basis. So what is the meaning of this? So let's say you have 12 months. So the service agreement you'll be signing for is 12 months. So what actually you have to do is you're going to sign a service agreement that you will be in the office for 12 months, in Wipro for 12 months. If you are planning to move in before 12 months, then you have to pay a penalty. So how the penalty works? Do I have to pay all 75,000? No, it is not going to work like that. I'll tell you how. So you have to divide the 75 by 12, which is 6250. That is 6,250. So in that case, every month 6250 will be calculated. Let's say you are leaving the Wipro at the 10th month. So at that time, 62,500 rupees would have already been tallied. Okay, so you have rest of the money, 7,800 you have to pay as penalty. So each month is divided by 6250. That is what it is written as applicable for 12 months post joining on pro rata basis. So basically, the month is divided into 12 months is divided into 75,000, so which is 6250. So each month you are crossing 6250. That's it. And after the 1 year, if you want to switch, then definitely you can switch. All right. So now the selection process. Now the important process you need to focus on. Do not miss this part. Okay. Now let's. I'll tell you how the hiring workflow works. First, you have to submit this particular application. Once it is submitted, then you have to go for resume shortlisting. And after that, you have to go for online test, technical interview, and HR interview. So now, what they are going to ask in that? Let me tell you. So yeah. In the selection process. The first round is of aptitude and written communication test and online programming test and the other important program. I'll tell you that. So aptitude test consists of three important things: logical ability, quants ability, and English ability. So these three things you have to focus on when it comes to aptitude test. That is the first round. Which includes written communication test as well. You have to write your essay writing, which is the duration of 20 minutes, which we are famous for because we used to write a lot of stories in our college exams, right? So we have to write essay writing as well. So that is the first round. Online programming text, that is of two programs for coding. So one might be easy, one might be hard. That is one thing, and the duration is for 60 minutes. And then candidates can choose any of these programming languages for the coding test: Java, C, C++, and Python. So make sure that you are having a good skills at least in two of the programming languages. Why I'm saying two? It can be one also, but we always should have a plan B so that at any cost we are not getting rejected. So make sure that you are doing that. All right. So these are the important aptitude tests and written communication test and online programming test, and also which programming language you have to focus on. So we specifically have a page. I'll tell you. So Wipro syllabus online test pattern. In this, you're gonna see this is a free resources you can access it anytime. Even right now you can access. I'll ask my team to share this link as well. So you can see Wipro syllabus 2024 quant section. You will be having 16 questions. Logical section you will be having 14 questions. English section you will be having 22 questions, and coding you will be having 2 questions as I already discussed. And essay writing section, for one essay writing you have to attend for 20 minutes. You will be having the time. So here you can get what are the topics you have to prepare for in the quants, what are the topics you have to prepare for the verbal, logic, and coding, and Wipro written communication test. We literally have everything. Okay, we literally have everything. You just have to go to this website and start preparing once the live is end. Okay, so this is one website we have, and we have Wipro placement papers also. So how the what are the number of sections we have? All right, the type of exams and mod conducted online or written and everything literally you can see. Okay, so same thing, what are the programming rounds, programming languages you have to follow. Okay, everything is here. Okay, I asked my team to provide these links in the comments, and also once the live is posted we'll be including that in the section description as well. Okay, so these are the two websites you should definitely visit before applying or after applying. When you start your preparation, just go to this website and start preparing. Okay, it's that easy. And yeah, coming back to this, uh, yeah, so round two is business discussion, and the third round is HR discussion. So as usual, like you'll be discussing about your basic CTC and all the policies, HR policies, and when date of joining and everything. All the sweet things will be up there, so you can actually focus on that. Yeah, so right now we have discussed everything. I'll just give a summary. Okay, so Wipro is hiring for off campus, and this is the allied job position, and it's for engineering, web or software. The CTC is 3.5 LPA, and education is like basic qualification is B Tech, and you can apply if you're studying the branch of mechanical instrumentation, automotive, and CSC, ECE, IT, and cybersecurity. All right, and please go through the backlog details and maximum years of gap details as well. But maximum years of gap is from 10 to college, not in between the college. So please understand that. And you'll be working in the designation of project engineer. And as I already said, 3.5 LPA. And then you'll be having a bonus once you join, and once you serve the company for 6 months, it can be merged into 18, 24, and 36 months as well. And you'll be signing a service agreement of 12 months. All right, so if you're joining another company in between those 12 months, you have to pay the liability, the penalty basically. All right. The selection process is very simple. You have to focus on aptitude, written communication, and online programming tests. So make sure that, and I told you, you have to be thorough in like Java, C, C++, or Python. So I hope you guys are cleared with this. Now, one more thing is that when I was trying to apply, we were not able to understand that how. I mean, so many of the students were not able to understand that how to create a profile on Superset. I hope there are a lot of people are struggling to face how to prepare how to prepare a profile on Superset. So basically, this is the login page. Okay, so I'll just run through. Okay, how to create a, like, if you have this profile, if you have the Superset, then only you can apply for the Wipro or any of the off-campus hiring. So make sure you watch it thoroughly. Okay, it's not a rocket science, it's actually simple. I'll run through you very simple. Okay, just enter your name, and if you have middle name, please enter it, and last name, and just enter your birthday. Okay, and click your gender, and let's say type your university. So let's say so you got your university, how to search college, or you can search using pin code as well if you couldn't find anything. All right, so you have to enter your institute roll number. Let me enter a random number, and I'm just entering a email ID. Yeah, and then so like basically you can just cut, copy, paste. All right, and enter a phone number. Enter a phone number. I'm just entering a random phone number. I'm really sorry. All right, and then password. You can set up any password. All right, just make sure that you are entering all the criterias like percentage and all the basic, one small character, one big character, and everything. Okay. Okay. So I agree with Superset terms and conditions, and I'm not robot, and I have to apply for a job. Pro, please. So we'll have to do this no matter what. I mean, I don't know whether I should click this or not. Okay, so it's taking time. So there is a small top here. I don't know whether I should click it. Let's see. Finally, the browser accepted. I'm not a browser. Great. Okay, so once it is done, so go for contact details, which is automatically fetched. You can just go for the permanent address and current address. Okay, so just gonna add a random address. uh, 560029 probably. Yeah, since we are in Bangalore, so I'm just giving it address. This I mean, this is not my original address. Please don't search it. All right, now click save and next. Please verify primary email address and everything. Okay, okay. So basically, we have to verify. Okay, so I'm just going to verify it. Just a minute. So once it is done, I should be getting an OTP. So make sure that you are getting an OTP. I've got an OTP. I'm just waiting for same like you guys. Yeah, I got an OTP. It's all right. So click verify OTP. Once that is done, then you are good to go. Okay, save and next. Okay, so basically we have to verify everything, right? So yeah, so I'll run through the process because the verification takes more time and people will not able to understand if verification time is more. Okay, so after the contact details, go for most recent education. All right. So whatever the recent education, if you are from a graduate, computer science graduate, or any sort of graduate, update the recent education here and the previous education 10th 12th etc. If you are from a long distance school, you can update that also, and internship and work experience you have to update, and then profile photo and documents. In the documents you have to apply for the resume, right? And then you might have to apply for the college ID card, and after that click done. You will be having the login of SuperSet. All right. So if you have any doubts in knowing that how to create a superset account, please do drop a DM. We are always here to help you. We are a team of almost almost the customer success team was almost like 8 to 9 people just sitting to solve your queries. Even people in I'm just getting the people in the comments are getting the queries are solved, right? So I guess these are the things you need to focus. So make sure that you are applying for this Wipro internship because this is one of the hot job right now, which is being posted and which is being published. And the application deadline is Monday, December 30. So you have solid 25 days of application time and good preparation time as well. So if you want to prepare, like let's say if you want to prepare, we don't know how to prepare, then you need to go to Prime. We have specific courses as well. I just run through it. Yeah, so these are the courses. We have specific Wipro courses as well. This is a proper Wipro courses, and you can actually prepare any of these courses here. Okay, so we have like 200 plus courses. Guys, you know better. So learn C, C++, Java, Python, a lot of things are there. So you can actually prepare it. And if you have any doubts, please don't forget to drop and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because if you're not subscribing, then you'll be missing the job data, job hiring details like then and there. So make sure that you are subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, okay, don't be selfish. Please share it with your friends. Please. Okay. So because like there are a lot of unemployed people. We are trying to help them as well. So please do drop a like link that was helpful, and please follow our Instagram pages as well. We have like specific Instagram pages. Just search for Prepinsta Instagram pages, and you're gonna get all the pages. Prepinsta off campus 2025, 2023, 2024. So go and follow the page. So just because you get hiring, because we post informative posts, we post hiring posts, and we update stories on daily basis. You can check our stories how many people are getting placed through Prepinsta. So I hope you guys would be following social media handles and as well as YouTube as well. I guess then more or less everything is completed. I'm just going to run through if there is any important questions. If there is any important questions, then I'll just answer. Can we add multiple resume in supersets? I hope you cannot. You should have the latest resume. So make sure that you update the latest resume. And if you don't know how to make the latest resume, go to our pages like how to build the perfect resume 2024, because these are the resumes which is already got offers. So we have taken the template and we have updated here. So this page can also be shared by our team as well. Okay, so you can, yeah, that's what. As I said, you guess you can have multiple, but when you're going to submit, you have to do only one. Okay, the link will be updated in the description of the live. So, I mean, like, I hope you guys will share at least with one or two of your friends this video. Okay, so please make sure that. Sir, our college has already given SuperSet ID with our college mail. Now we can create ID. No, there is no need of creating a personal ID. If your college have created, then it's actually good. You don't have to go through all the process. So please use a college ID because college ID has more value than your personal ID. No, it will not affect another job application because there is no interconnection between them. So you can apply for it. And I hope there is no doubts. There'll be a technical round after the online test. Yes, there'll be a technical round, but that's why I have mentioned you have to prepare for this particular programming languages: Java, C, C++, Python. That's why I said you have to go to our placement paper website and also syllabus website. Okay, you will know everything. Whatever I said in the live, you will know more than that in this live. All right. So, is there any important questions? Does it affect? All right. I hope everyone is done with the questions. If there is any important questions, please do drop a DM, and we are always there to help you. And please follow our socials. And I hope the live went well. And if you have any doubts, please do drop a DM. Either in YouTube comments, you can drop it. Our team will catch it up, or you can drop it in our Instagram channel as well. So I hope I have cleared all the doubts and all the best for you guys because you guys are sticking through till the last. Cooling period of Wipro is 3 months. 3 months. I explained it. Cooling period of Wipro is 3 months. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for joining the live. The application link will be in the YouTube video once it is posted. The application link will be there. So please apply. All the best for your application. Please do drop a DM in our Instagram channel because we having a lot of Instagram channel, a lot of people just to help you. I'm saying it again and again, putting a peer pressure so that you guys get good placements. That's what our motto is. So yeah, see you guys in the next live soon. 2023 batch, yes, you can apply, Yashwat. 2020, you can apply. All right? Yeah, yeah, you can apply. You can apply. So yeah, I'm getting questions right now. Hi sir, I'm from CSC, but in Superset it's showing that I'm not eligible. Oh, okay. So please do drop a DM. We will also check while applying. We will definitely help you via, we'll send you screenshots and we'll help you with that. Okay. Probably it depends on role to role. So I guess you must have applied for the previous stuff. So yeah, I hope everything is done. We'll meet you guys in the next live definitely. Companies are going to hire. Okay, so yeah, thank you for joining up. Thank you for sticking it up, and see you in the next live. Bye bye. Yep, yep. Over. Please make sure that you are